Let this pump go through one more cycle before I pull it out of here and shove that snake in. Tighten this up a little bit so I don't lose it.
Yeah, I hear it. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Okay. That away from the water. Oh. How's this thing in there? What, you got it wedged in here all hard? Oh my god. That's no way to put a pump. Yeah, that's not good. This thing's gotta come off there. This has been on there for a minute. Yeah, it's a good idea to change these when you change the pump too. Those rubber connectors all getting dry rotted. Oh, that float wasn't working. Cross your fingers, this does it. We need to hear a big gush of water and watch that floor drain go down. Yeah, I'm hurrying before that water comes up.
I have a pump with a hose.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What am I doing here?
But, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, those come in handy. Alright, it's digging in something now. to look like that. Oh shit, it's come off here. Don't want that blowing apart. Holy shit, did it work? Looks like it might have worked. Water's coming in like crazy now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Need that. Oh no. And this one's loose too now. I'm gonna take that float off of it. Fuck it up in there direct. Alright. Nothing blew apart. Sure started coming in fast. You want to look over there and see if it's gone down? Because that thing started filling up quick.
Oh yeah, it's going down.
It's going down?
Oh yeah.
Nice. I didn't get through the clog. I was still trying to pressure it through with my foot.
Yeah, it's going down.
All right. Good news.
Yeah.
Well, that's not, you know, we're just getting it going right now. You got if I can get the snake through there, fine. But if it doesn't go through, you know, it's just full of dirt. That's probably what's going on here. And I don't know if it came out of the pipe when we snaked it over there or whether it was just the pipes full of clay, but we couldn't get the snake through, so you're somewhere along the line you're gonna have to dig it up. And this pit's probably gonna be full of dirt and mud and stuff. I don't know how we're gonna clean this while it's raining. Shop vac. I can reach in there and dig some of that stuff out with my hands and a scraper or something, but I'm not gonna be able to get it spotless while the water's running.
Yeah.
We don't want that pump getting boogered
Well,
up.
thank you anyway for the idea, because with the glue, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's coming out like crazy
You
now.
wouldn't have time to.
I still didn't get that snake through it though. I was still trying to dig into it.
But how about an idea?
Okay.
If you snake it with a pump like this, it's not gonna hurt that pipe, yeah?
Yeah, I don't want to put any stress on any of these pipes. Or one of those pipes cracking, we got a problem.
Oh, we got a problem, yeah.
Yeah.
We don't need a problem.
Yeah, that's why I put a quick connect right there so we could hurry up and turn the pump on. If this 90 back there breaks or any of the stuff breaks off, I won't be able to turn it on. It's probably going to take an hour or two for this to really drain down good enough to do anything with. This whole basement's full of water.
That much water, I didn't realize.
Yeah, this whole basement is like a big giant sink. And it's all draining right to here now. This is going to take a while for this to all stop happening, enough to where I can take it apart and you know, hook that pump back up and glue it and all that. The glue's got to set up too, you know.
How about, is there a way you just replace that, or I don't know?
Just the float?
Yeah.
You could call them and ask. Call Liberty and see if they'll send you the parts out for that.
Oh, okay.
It's best to have an alarm for sure, because you don't want your water bill going up to $1,000. You don't know that electric pump died and then that takes over, your water bill will go crazy.
Yeah.
You gotta have an alarm on. Yeah, that's a lot of water. All right, so I'm just gonna pull this snake out of here. I got a bunch of other people that are having problems.
No, I understand. If you're here, I would really like you to keep snaking.
Oh, you want me to pull it out and try to snake some more?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let me make a few phone calls while this is doing all this.
I'd appreciate it.
No problem.
I mean, you're here anyway.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And I know you heard about the track. This is really big accomplishment.
Oh my God, we're gonna need a bigger pump. No, that pump's keeping up real good.
That's pretty good. I think I forgot, but it's like the top of the line pump. It's got an electronic That's free?
Yeah, I bypassed it. I bypassed it. I unplugged it. Now it won't shut off, you know. Well, let this go, and I'll go call some people and tell them.
It's like the, seriously, I took the most expensive one. I forgot, probably around 400 or something.
Yeah, it's pretty heavy. It's definitely not a...
It's all cast iron.
Yeah, it's definitely cast iron. Huh. Looks like it's slowing down some, so... Alright, I'll come back. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we'll come back to this used boy later. Yeah, the pump's got a 2-inch discharge on it. So, yeah, this is a mega pump. Yeah, 2-inch pump. Yeah, that thing's out of control good.